Hello everyone, this is Prasanna, Science Department, Vidyalakshmi School. Here today, we are going to give a riddle. Okay, fine. I hope you all love to learn riddles. So here we start this lesson with a riddle. Fine? So here goes your riddle. I drip, I drop, I fill your cup. Without me, the world would dry up. So here, I repeat it again. So here, I drip, I drop, I fill your cup. Without me, the world would dry up. Guess who am I? Fine. We'll have your answer. Here we have the answer for it. That is, can you guess? Yes, you have rightly guessed. This is the precious resource given in nature, water. And now let me ask you a question. Can we live without water? No, all living things need water. That is, we humans, animals, birds, we all survive using our resource. Okay? And now we are going to see from the sources of water, where we get this precious resource, the water. That is, we get it mainly from the rain, and which is being collected in the rivers, the lakes, and the underground water, as well as the wells. Okay? So the rainwater, it is main resource, and the rivers collect this rainwater, and it is being flowing all, and we receive this river waters, and these are fresh water which we use for our regular activities. Fine? And the groundwater and the well which is being collected under the ground. Fine? And this water is being used for our agriculture, that is farming. Okay? And we will see our daily activities that we use this precious resource, that is the water, uses of water. So here our daily activities goes for our cleaning, washing and drinking purpose, as well as cooking, then taking your bath, cleaning up yourself, and for our activities also. Okay? And now let me tell you that it is our responsibility, isn't it not? Yes, it is our responsibility to save this precious resource. And what are the ways? Let me give you few, so that it will be your responsibility to take care of this resource, that is the precious resource. Keep in mind always, it is our precious resource given by nature. Fine? Okay, let me tell you. So, when you are brushing your teeth, you can just close the tap. After, when it is needed, you can use this precious resource. Fine? Then, when you are washing your cars, no need to use your hose. That is, you are wasting your water. You can have it in your bucket and then make use of the bucket full of water. Fine? And then for your gardening also, you can hose this water, and limitedly you can use for planting, gardening your plants, that is watering your plants. Okay? And hope you all would have understood what is this resource, why is it necessary for us to save this drop. That is, I can give you a conclusion by telling that water is life, use it wisely, every drop counts. Again, I repeat, water is life, use it wisely, every drop counts. Thank you all.